Let's take a look at our weekly report. We're here on the stats page of our portfolio on eToro, and we are currently sitting year to date at 22.04%. You can see that down here. So far, it's been a good month in October, and we've got one last full week in October, and then a couple days next week. But we had in this past week we did 1.04%. We started the week at 21%, and we're starting this week at 22.04%, and that's for the year. And so that we've done. So in the past week we've done 1.04%. Now, so when I do next week's video, we're starting this week with 22.04%. So that's our basis for our gains. We're running a risk score in our portfolio at the beginning of this week of 4 out of 10. I'm quite happy with that risk score. I brought that down from the start of the week, as you can see there. And thank you to those who copy our portfolio and invest with us. In case you're wondering, on eToro, you can copy other people's portfolios, and so exactly what they do, you will do automatically as well. You can see we've had 322 trades, basically. I invest funds we deposit and invest every 2 weeks out of each paycheck, and 73% of those have been profitable. This here will show you 3 of our main investments. Now, I actually haven't invested in VIX in about a year, so that's probably going to be dropping down soon. But we did a bit of movement around that about a year ago, so that's why it's sitting in the top 3. You can see our profitable weeks is sitting at 67%, which I'm happy with. That's pretty good. This is where we'll jump to our portfolio. This is where our portfolio currently sits. You can see it's very basic at the moment, and we've got that with everything that's going on in the market. We've got that set up just like that on purpose, so that we keep a very stable base and keep all our funds invested. And so that's where our portfolio is currently sitting. If you are considering investing, jump on eToro, comment below, and we can invest together. I can help you get started on eToro. It is a great platform. And if you do jump on eToro, be sure to follow along. You can just click the up here, and well, there'll be a button up here. It's not because I'm on my own profile. Click a button up here, and you'll be able to connect with me. And if you want to copy my portfolio, would love to have you join, and then we can really invest together. But thanks for following along. Thanks for subscribing to all those that do, and we'll see you in the next video.